Hello and welcome to another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations Homebrew Compilation. This is all volumes down. We have some light current draw. But watch what happens when I touch this lamp. Actually, watch this. We're having some monster parasitic oscillations. Good Lord, now it's going to high frequency. Let me bring the volume back up. There we go. See that? High frequency oscillations will destroy your amp. So let's see why. Good Lord. I'm not even going to take her out of... Okay. Well, while that bit was meant to be a little funny, it's really not. It's not funny at all. So I was given this amp to troubleshoot a homebrew made with a lot of top shelf components. However, not to besmirch the builder, but if you're just starting out, then, you know, a JTM45 is a great place to start out. However, start out with a JTM45 and don't overcomplicate it with dumbbell tricks. Some of these front panel features aren't fully implemented yet. Some of them are, and I'm just seeing a lot of issues with the solder joints, and then even the ground scheme. Unshielded wires here. My recommendation is that you just go through and build yourself a good simple 5E3. You could build a JTM45. It's fine. But educate yourself on the fundamentals before you go through and overcomplicate what is a very simple design and then create yourself a very, very strenuous, intense situation when it comes to actually troubleshooting. So just food for thought. Bye-bye.